Here we are on top of the Chinese wall, right in the middle of the Bob Marshall Wilderness, and we're looking south along the wall. And as we move along toward the west, we'll be looking down the White River. We see some smoke blowing in from the Prisoner Lake fire. And out in the distance, we'll start to see the Swan Range. Here in the middle range here is the Flathead Range. So we got the White River on this side of it, the east side of the Flathead Range, and the Swan Range is far to the west across the South Fork of the Flathead River. And as we pan toward the north, we look across the White River here. We're looking through Pagoda Pass out to Holland Peak in the Swan Range. And as we continue north, we're seeing more of the Swan Range until we get around here and we're seeing Swan Peak with the snowfields on it. And here more in the foreground in the Flathead Range, we come around to Lone Butte. And again, we're looking way out beyond that to the Swan Range, somewhere in the neighborhood of Thunderbolt Mountain. And a little further to the right, we're looking way north in the Swan Range, somewhere in the vicinity of Broken Lake Mountain and Jewel Basin, somewhere up in there. And we come around, starting to face almost north, and it's the big Silvertip Mountain. Huge mountain, really gorgeous. And in the far distance beyond that, of course, we're looking out across Spotted Bear River country, and way out on the horizon line is Glacier National Park. And now we're coming back to the Chinese Wall, the very north end of it, and Larch Hill Pass. And beyond that, again, we're looking over across Spotted Bear River country. We'll go ahead and come around to the east, although the morning sun's going to make it difficult. And we've got a fair amount of smoke